Most of South Africa experienced a sunny and hot day on Tuesday, with thunderstorms concentrated over the central part of the country in the afternoon, but with a slight possibility of those thundershowers still extending through to southern Gauteng and the southwestern Mpumalanga highvelds. On our satellite, you'll also see a band of fog moving in along the west coast, with that fog remaining in the forecast all the way through to Wednesday morning. It'll be an uncomfortably hot day over the interior part of the Western Cape on Wednesday, with some cloud expected over the western parts and a few isolated thundershowers over the northeastern part of the Northern Cape, as well as the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal, possibly spilling over into the Free State, with a partly cloudy and hot day forecast in the northeast. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for a high fire danger rating on Wednesday, with runaway fires possible within the shade of red. In KwaZulu-Natal, dry and warm weather is forecast along the coast, but with isolated thundershowers over the western interior, Pietermaritzburg topping 30 degrees. Mostly sunny at 33 for Mthatha, with a windy day along parts of the eastern Cape Coast, sunny and warm for East London at 27. We're expecting a dry forecast throughout the province, with a sizzling hot day from Adelaide all the way through to Graaff-Reinet, with maximums in the upper 30s. We stick with that sizzling hot weather as we head towards Beaufort West and Oudtshoorn. Partly cloudy and hot for George at 31 degrees, 26 and partly cloudy and dry for Cape Town and Langebaan, and a toasty afternoon for Robertson at 37. Partly cloudy at 30 for Vredendal as well as Springbok, with some morning fog expected along the west coast. Here's where a few isolated thundershowers are expected in the afternoon, and that's mainly in Uppington and Possersburg. Kimberley should remain dry at a partly cloudy 36, and Bloemfontein and Welkom should also remain dry with maximums in the low 30s, but with a few thundershowers spilling over into the far eastern part of the Free State. Vryburg can also expect thundershowers at 35, with a dry and hot day throughout the rest of the northwest. We're expecting dry weather for Limpopo, with a warmer day on Wednesday and a high of around 30 degrees for Polokwane and Zanin. 34 as we head into Skukuza, with a mostly sunny Wednesday in store. 30 degrees for Bombela, a warm day throughout the province with a predominantly dry forecast, other than a very slight chance of thundershowers over the extreme southern parts. Gauteng should remain dry on Wednesday with a high of around 30 degrees, and then slightly warmer for Pretoria at a partly cloudy 32. It's a windy day in East London with a strong northeasterly wind. Fresh northeasterly winds are expected along the east coast, with more of a northwesterly wind in Cape Town. Now that's ahead of a cold front which cools things off and brings in some rainfall over the southern part of South Africa on Thursday. Ahead of the front, we're expecting sunny and hot weather, with toasty weather over South Africa's interior right the way through to the end of the work week, and by Friday we can expect rain along the east coast, with a mostly sunny and warm day for Cape Town at 24. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.